Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this trending reels video edit using InShot. So if you want to know how you can edit trending reels using your phone fast, easy and all from your device, this is how you can do it. First, you can find or add your prepare your photos, but for this I'm going to just use this photo from Pinterest. Let's download the image first. If you want to, you can add more than one. Okay, after that you can open InShot application, click on the video and new, and choose the two photos that you just downloaded. Okay, like this. You can now click on the photo, and in here click on enhance, click on allow and start. Just wait until the enhancement process is finished. You can see the progress in here in the bottom left corner. Okay, so now the enhance is completed. Here you can just go to cut out and remove the background from the video. Oops. Let's try the second one. Okay, this one, don't forget to enhance also. So after you do the enhancement and also the cut out, you can go to the PIP or picture in picture, and now you can add the background. So here I'm going to just use the background from the InShot app. Okay, let's try this one right here. Now make the background bigger like this. Then you can also adjust the object size in here. Okay, I'm going to go with that and click on the audio music and choose the music that you want, or you can also upload your own in here. I'm going to just import music in here. Let's say find the music on my device. So once the music is added on the video, in here you can just write the lyrics. Click on tags in here. And then you can just use or write the lyrics of the song. For example, you can go with this, and here you can change the font to how you prefer. So this is just an example. You can put it anywhere you like. And for the object in here, you can also add animation so that it not it is smooth and not boring. For example, I'm going to go with swing. Okay, this one, I think the slide, and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.